Hey guys, this is Amar, and this is the Thought of the Day series. And today we're doing a thought on love. It's on love. It's quite a complex thought, so pay attention. Okay, it's a complex thought of love, and so pay attention. It's a complex thought. I picked it up like I've read a bunch of thoughts and I picked it up. It's quite a complex thought, but it's a really good thought. Okay, it's on love. It's by Reinhold Niebuhr. Reinhold Niebuhr. Neibuhr. Niebuhr. I don't know how you pronounce that. Why would you have such a complicated last name? But anyway, the thought is nice by Mr. Niebuhr, right? Family life is too intimate to be preserved by the spirit of justice. Family life is too intimate to be preserved by the spirit of justice. It can only be sustained by a spirit of love, which goes beyond justice. Family life is too intimate to be preserved by the spirit of justice. It can only be sustained by a spirit of love, which goes beyond justice. Justice requires that we carefully weigh rights and privileges and assure that each member of a community receives his due share. Justice requires that we carefully weigh rights and privileges and assure that each member of a community receives his due share. Love does not weigh rights and privileges too carefully because it prompts each to bear the burdens of the other. So justice is not love. I mean that's why there are different institutions in the society. Justice is not love. Love is not justice. You can't apply the rules of justice in society to the rules of the family, because families are expected to be based on love. Families are not expected to be based on justice, right? So love is not justice. So the only way a family can really sustain is because of love. And love does not weigh rights and privileges too carefully because there's love. Love forgives things. Love looks beyond faults. Justice doesn't. Where justice would punish, love would forgive. Where justice would punish, love would forgive. Let's read this again. It's a great thought. Family life is too intimate to be preserved by the spirit of justice. It can only be sustained by a spirit of love, which goes beyond justice. Justice requires that we carefully weigh rights and privileges and assure that each member of a community receives his due share. Love does not weigh rights and privileges too carefully because it prompts each to bear the burden of the other. It prompts each member of a family is supposed to bear the burden of the other, support each other when they need each other, because there would be ups and downs in life, and that is what fucking families are for. If people are not there for each other in ups and downs in life, it's not a family. There's a great thought that I have on my blog. You should check it out. I'll hopefully elaborate on it at some later time once I'm done with reading my books, when I move to my blog. And that thought says that home is where they understand you. Home is where they understand. Home is not your blood family. If they don't care about you, they're not a family. Find another family. Home is where they understand you. Maybe your home is not inside the place you're born in. It's sad. If you're lucky, then your parents would love you, your sisters, siblings would love you. But if you're not lucky, they won't. Right? So if they don't understand you, that's not your home. You may need to find another home outside your bloodline. Home is where they understand you. Love does not weigh rights and privileges too carefully because it prompts each to bear the burden of the other. And if each doesn't bear the burden of the other, they don't love each other. It's not family. That's the end of this thought, and think about it. Think about it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm thankful that I get to even record these videos. Hopefully some people will watch these videos and hopefully be a little happier just because I recorded these videos. If not now, maybe years later, I don't care. I want to make people happy. That's all I want to do. That's all I wanted to do in so many fucking years, to make people happy. Thanks for watching. Bye.